I am Sumaya Kosar from B1 section. Problems on base theorems. I have three problems are there. First problem is factory has two machine A and B. Machine A produces 30% of total output. Then machine B produces 70% of total output. In this machine A, 5% defective articles are there. Machine B, 1% defective items are there. Now we are find out the how many defective items are in there in machine A and how many defective items are there in machine B. Let D denotes a defective. Probability that the items came from the machine A is equal to probability of A. Probability is equal to 30% of machine A, 30 divided by 100. Like that, D defective P D divided by A is equal to probability of 5%, 5 divided by 100. This is formula applying A intersection D is equal to P of A P D divided by A. Probability of product of probability in defective items is equal to 30 divided by 100 into 5 divided by 100 is equal to 150 divided by 100. Then machine B is equal to P of B probability 2 is equal to 70 divided by 100. P D divided by B is equal to P2 divided by 1% defective 1 divided by 100. Joint probability of the two items P B intersection D is equal to P of B P D divided by B. Probability of defective items of product 2 is equal to 70 divided by 100, 1 divided by 100 is equal to 70 into 1 70, 100 into 100 10,000. Apply the formula is equal therefore P of defective P of D is equal to P A intersection D plus P B intersection D. 150 divided by 10,000, 70 divided by 10,000, 150 plus 70, 220 divided by 10,000. Then now the probability that the defective items came from machine A, P A divided by D is equal to product product A of defective item is equal divided by product A plus product 1 plus P2. 150 divided by 10,000, 150 divided by 10,000 plus 70 divided by 10,000. 10,000, 10,000 and 10,000 cancelled in nominator and denominator. 150 has remained constant divided by 150 plus 70 is equal divided plus 220. 150 divided by 220 is equal to 0.68. 2 means 68.2%. Then the probability that the defective machine B B divided by D is equal to P of P intersection D divided by P probability of D. P2 divided by P1 plus P2 divided by 70%, 70 divided by 10,000 divided by 150 divided by 10,000 plus 70 divided by 10,000 for is equal to 70 in nominator 70 are there. 70 is 70 divided by 150 plus 70 220 is equal to 0.318 means 31.8% of defective items in a machine B. In this problem alternative methods also there. This is a tree diagram for this problem. 30% of machine A is divided by 30 divided by 100, 70% of machine B divided by 70 divided by 100, and like that D means defective items 5%, D of machine B defective item is 1%. Simplify this and go through it that 1 BP A divided by D, apply this formula and the same answer will come in this also, this method also, 0.68 to 0.318. Then second problem, a coin is tossed. If the turn up heads, two balls will be drawn from urn A, otherwise two ball will be drawn from other urn B. Urn A contains 3 black and 5 white balls. Urn B contains 7 black and 1 white ball. Now we solve the problems on cases selection or the made with the replacement. What is the probability of urn A, and you used given that the both balls drawn are black. The probability of selecting urn A P1 probability of 1 is equal to 1 divided by 2. The same of on B, P probability of 2 is equal to 1 divided by 2. Probability of drawing 2 black balls from on A is P2 probability of 2 is equal to 3C2. 3 ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ಬರೀ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಅನ್ ಎಲ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಾಲ್ 3 ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ 3C2 divided by 8C2. 8C2 means 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 8 divided by 8C2. ಇದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 3 minus 2 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಲ್ 2 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಪ್ರೊಬ್ಯಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ 2 ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ P2 is equal to 7C2. 7C2 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. 7 plus 1 8C2. ಸೊ 21 divided by 28. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 21 divided by 28 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರೊಬ್ಯಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ದಟ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ ಎ ವಾಸ್ ಚೂಸನ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ಇದು 3 divided by 28, 21 divided by 28, 1 divided by 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Assume next third problem. Assume that a factory has a 2 machine 1 and machine 2. Machine 1 produce a 30% of output and machine 2 produce a 70% of items and produce. Furthermore, 5% items produced by machine 1 were defective. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 5% defective items ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ದೆನ್ only 1% produce machine 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1% ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಮಷೀನ್ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5% ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. In this problems also we find out the how many defective items are there in machine 1 and machine 2. Let E1 is equal to the event of drawing and items produced by machine 1. E2 indicates the how many items produced in machine 2. E is equal to the event E indicates the defective items. E1 indicates the machine 1 production. E2 indicates the machine 2 production. E indicates the defective items in a machine 1 and machine 2 produced either by the machine 1 and formula E1 is equal to 30% of machine A 0.3. Then E2 is equal to 70%, 0.7. Defective items 5% means 0.05, 1% means 0.01. Then apply this formula in this way. Computation of posterior probability. In this we have 5 columns are there. First column event prior probability P1, conditional probability, then joint probability, posterior revised probability. Then E1 and E2. E1 0.30, E2 0.70. Then defective items 0.05, 0.01. 0.30 and 0.70 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1.00 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಬಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ 0.30 ಇಂಟು 0.05 ಪ್ರಿಯರ್ ಪ್ರೊಬಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಂಟು ಕಂಡೀಷ್ನಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಬಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಬಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ 0.05. ದೆನ್ 0.70 ಇಂಟು 0.01, 0.007 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಇದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಷಿನ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಷಿನ್ ಬಿ. ದೆನ್ posterior revised probability ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 0.05 divided by total defective item 0.02 is equal to 0.628. Total defective item of machine 2 is 0.07 divided by 0.022 is equal to 3.18. It is also total ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1.00 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. In the absence of the interpretation of this problem, in the absence of information, we may be inclined to say that defective items is drawn from machine 2 output, since PE2 is equal to 70% is greater than the PE is equal to 30%. ಮಷಿನ್ ಎ ಇಂದ ಮಷಿನ್ ಬಿಗೆ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಯಾವುದು ಮಷಿನ್ ಬಿ. machine A ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, machine B ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ. Then with that additional information we may give the better answer. The probability that the defective items was produced by machine 1 is 0.68, 0.682, 0.682 here, 0.682 or 68.2%, and that of machine 2 is 0.318 or 31.8%. We may know say that the defective items is more likely drawn from the output produced by machine 1. ಹೇಗೆ 70% ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೋ ಮಷಿನ್ ಎ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಮಷಿನ್ ಎ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದು ಮಷಿನ್ ಎ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. 0.30 and 0.72, 0.5, 0.2 is a defective, it is a production. Apply this formula and same answer also there in 0.022 of total defective products. Then same answer also there in and if you have any doubt please ask me on my account. Thank you all.